whispers on the silent land, promises of water where it's dry to stand. Spirit flows like rivers in the night, a blessing for my kin in morning light. Thirsty roots will drink from heaven's grace. Streams of life will touch each waiting face. Offspring rise and flourish neath the sky. Green meadows sing where deserts used to sigh. Let the rain come down, refresh the earth. Pouring spirit finds its place of birth. Blessings grow like grass in fields so wide. Futures bright with faith as our guide. Once was barren, now turned lush and green. Every seed a testament unseen. From the skies a promise in the air. For your love on us we breathe this prayer. Let the rain come down, refresh the earth. Pouring spirit finds its place of birth. Blessings grow like grass in fields so wide. Futures bright with faith as our guide. In the drought he sends a stream of hope. Through the valleys where his mercies cope. Life springs forth where sadness used to dwell. Grace like rain embraces every swell. Grace like rain embraces every swell. Let the rain come down, refresh the earth. Pouring spirit finds its place of birth. Blessings grow